In this video, we will review AccessiBe software app which enables an enhanced experience for the person with disabilities. Yes, it enhances your website experience for person with disabilities, like if a person is visually impaired or a blind person, or if a person have epilepsy or something like that. So we will review this app and how to integrate it, the installation, and how it actually benefit for your website and expand your viewership across the globe. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel, and in this video we are going to review AccessiBe software. We are going to review AccessiBe app which enables, as I said, an enhanced experience for the person with disabilities. So of chit chat, before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then do click the red button to boost our morale to post more and more videos like this. So let's get started. So what you need is, if you want to test it out with me, just go ahead, follow the link in the description box where you will find the link to sign up for the 7-day trial, and install that on your app or a website and see its features and test it out if it actually works or not. Okay, so I have started my free trial, right, as you can see, and here is, after the sign in for the free trial, you will go to the installation just clicking by this, and here is a function file which you need to add in the ending of the body tag, just like you add the JavaScript. Okay, so if you are, or if you're having a WordPress website, I will also tell you how to install there also. So what it does is, and before installing it to our website, let's do the branding. Okay, you have to match that with the color of your choice, or with the color of your website or a brand. Okay, and for that part, here you can see a desktop and mobile preview. So this will be the color. So I just want to change it to mine and to see if it's, so that's the color of my website. If I go to webby.com, or I just want it to be around this color only, the orangish, and you can also type out RGB color or hexa color code here. And here is the statement link. If you wanted to accessibility statement link, you have to put that here by default. And there's the interface footer link, and this color is an insufficient contrast. We strongly advise choosing a darker color. So for the person with disabilities, there should be a Seizure safe profile. Okay, and for the Seizure profile, you have to choose the darker color, not the flasher one, which I have chosen. So what I'm going to do is going to the darker part of this. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. And for the trigger animation or customization, sorry, and I will choose the same color as above, just going to there and going to the darker color like this. So everything looks good right now. And here is the bottom vertical position. If you want it to the bottom, to the right, or to the top, you can easily choose that, like in the center. I will choose the bottom seems right. And if you want to trigger button to be small, big, size, and it does depend on your taste and preferences. So this is about right. Okay, and this is a trigger button, and the trigger button can be customized. So I like the default button like this. You can add any of it, like person with disabilities icon, something like that, but I just like this because this is a global icon for the accessibility options. So you can also have the settings part, that's depend on your. So show on mobile, yes, show on mobile. So generate custom script. So this will be our script which need to be added just before the closing body tag. And for that part, just copy this code, and I'm going to the header part, the footer part, or even the main part, wherever you want to like, but I want to put that in the footer. So let's search for the footer.php here. Okay, let me just, so there it is. Let me open that, and just before the closing boarding tag, I want to add that. So here is the closing body tag. I want to add this. Just click save, and you will be good to go. And just refresh my website for this. Okay, so this is the ads. Okay, so here is my accessibility option or adjustment. So you have 6 or 7 profiles here, and for the Seizure save profile, just click on. Okay, so all the flashy colors, all the gifs or any animation you use, it will turn out to this particular color, which should be in the darker and less sparky, or you can say less shiny. So for the Seizure save profile, you can easily select that and click on off. Okay, and for the visually impaired, it will start adding the colors to your website. Like here for the visually impaired, it's add this flashiness to it. Okay, if I just scroll down, as you can see, the colors will change accordingly. And there's a ADHD profile. It's just to add the more focus and fewer distraction. So for that part, you can easily add that. And there's a cognitive disability profile, which assists with the reading and focusing. If you click on, so it will assist with all those, as you can see here. So it will assist with the reading those main headings or part of your website. Okay, and there is keyboard navigation or motor and the screen readers. Why you need to choose this, or why you need to choose this? Because for the blind users, they actually use some screen readers to browse website on internet, right? And they use the keyboard navigation, and obviously the blind user, they use a screen reader. There are many screen readers out there, JAWS and VoiceOver and TalkBack. So they use those screen readers to access your website. And if you have an e-commerce website, this is actually very useful for you, because you are going to market the person with disabilities also. So if you have an accessibility option on your website, it will be best for them. Okay, and this works like a charm. So whenever a person with disability enters your website, and it does have a option, and it will connect it automatically, and they will have an option to access your website with the help of these navigations. So let me give you a demo how it actually benefits a blind user. This is the video from the AccessiBe only, so do watch that now, and I will be back afterwards.
Hi, I'm Michael Hinkson, Chief Vision Officer for AccessiBe. AccessiBe is a product that helps make websites much more usable for persons with disabilities. One of the main ways it helps is for blind people who use screen readers. So today we're going to look at Hedonist, and here's the first line.
Hedonist hot sauces.
Hedonist hot sauces. And now we go down.
Visited has pop-up menu link hot sauces.
I have a message that says has pop-up.
Visited has pop-up menu link hot sauces.
Pop-up button tells me that it's a menu, but here's what happens when I click
Enter. Loading pane. Loading complete. Link hot ones 10-pack seasons 5.0. Link 1 reviews.
It doesn't really look like a menu. It's giving me all the stuff about hot sauces. I'm going to go back.
Going back.
So I'm going to try to turn AccessiBe on.
Alt 1.
Now I'm going to go look at this website again with AccessiBe activated.
Same page link, skip to menu.
Skip to menu. And that's one of the most important things to show you.
Main menu now. List of 7 items. Collapsed visited menu link hot sauces.
But look what we have now. We don't have pop-up link hot sauces. We have
collapsed visited menu link hot sauces.
Collapsed menu visited link. And it says visited because I've been there already, but now it's calling it a menu. Let's look at what happens when I expand it.
Expanded visited menu link hot sauces. Visited link hot sauces. Visited link mild hot sauces. Link medium hot sauces. Link hot sauces.
See, now I'm getting the categories under the menu. This is what I should have been able to do up front. Now with AccessiBe being loaded on to the site, make it a lot easier to use. And I love the fact
link medium hots visited link mild hot sauces
that I have a whole category here that says mild hot sauces. Now that's kind of relative, but the only way for me to really tell how mild it is to buy one, right? So I'm going to click on this link that says mild.
Visited link mild hot sauces. Mild hot sauces Hedonist.
So now we're in mild hot sauces, Hedonist. What I'm going to go down and look for, because living in California, and besides my wife and I just love them anyway, is I want to find a taco sauce.
Visited link graphic Keith's taco sauce.
Keith's taco sauce.
Taco. A-C-O.
Now,
Oscar.
Now we're cooking. So I'm going to go into Keith's taco sauce.
Loading complete. Keith's taco sauce Hedonist. Same page. Main region. Heading level 1 Keith's Taco Sauce.
There's already quantity 1.
Virtual
I think all I want is quantity 1.
plus button. Regular price $12.00.
$12.
ADD to cart button.
I'm sold. I'm going to get one.
Easy ADD to cart button.
Add to cart.
Enter. Heading level 1 shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Table link Keith's Talk link remove. $12.
Not removing it.
Subtotal $12. Shipping and taxes calculated at checkout.
Shipping and taxes calculated at checkout.
Checkout button. Your shopping cart. This shop pay now button.
Pay now.
AY. Enter.
And let's see what happens.
You'll receive a confirmation email with your order number shortly.
And there we go.
Thank you for your purchase.
It was so much easier because AccessiBe was on the site, and that's really as good as it gets.
So you have watched that how a blind person actually placed an order successfully using this particular app, or I will say a widget. So that's how you can easily give access to the person, give access to your website to the person with disabilities. Not only one, but these options will cover all of them. So here it was the installation, right? And now what next is how it actually works. See, this particular widget scans your website. This is AI powered. Yes, it is AI powered. It scans your HTML structure of your website, and there they will get all the elements from your website, and it actually adds those elements to their different profiles, like as you can see here. There's not these profile also, and if a person with disabilities going in your website, and they can adjust more to it, like here readable font. As you can see, this is readable font will squeeze the size a bit if you're using a more bold font. And there is many options out there. There's a text magnifier if a older person is actually using your website, and it will magnify your text here. And it is highlight, there is a highlight titles with different titles maybe they're on your website. Like here I use H2s, actually scan all your HTML and give the best result possible for the person with disabilities. Okay, and there is a adjust font size. You can also adjust font size aligned to the center, so all element will be aligned to the center, and there's aligned to the left, so all will be aligned to the left. Okay, and there's more option, which is the color option. If you want to add color to your pages, as you can see, this text color will be this. The title color you can easily change with this, and the adjust background colors to anything. As you can see, the background color will be changed to this. Isn't it awesome? Because it adds more value to your website, not just a regular website, but more accessibility option for the viewer. And there is a oriented adjustment. You can mute sounds, hide images. Yes, you can hide all the images. If you don't like, a person maybe don't liking images, maybe your images are flashy or maybe something offensive, they can easily hide that here. And they can also switch to the read mode. They don't want a flashy elements on their website, they can switch to the read mode here. And there's a reading guide, and there's a stop animations option also. And if I open that, as you can see, there's a stop animations also, reading mask. And if you click on it, it will add the reading mask, big black cursor. So your cursor will be transferred to the big black, and it will enhance user experience to the another level. So that's how important this widget is for your website. If you have an e-commerce store, and if you have a website that want to enhance experience for the person with disabilities and market those areas, then this particular widget will be very helpful for you. And now enough of this, now going to the interface. So this is the interface. As I've told you, this installation is very straightforward. So you have the billing accounting obviously, and there is accessibility audits. And if you click on it, you can run audit for your website, and the scans will give you more opportunity to edit different part of your website. Okay, and if I click on the webby.com and run audit, as you can see, it is working on my website. So it's evaluating the results, as you can see here. So let the AI do the work like you're seeing right now, and it will analyze each and every element on your website and revert back each and every container, and you can easily customize that. So let it run, and I will be back once it's done. Okay, so the audit is done. As you can see, the clickables are scoring 100, so everything is fine here. And there's the titles which is also scoring 100, and there is a room for the improvement. As you can see, the links that open in the new tab window should be tagged as for assistive technology. Okay, and if you want to improve the experience for that perspective, then you can easily do that. So there is a title room of improvement for the titles here, and there is orientation. So everything is scoring 100, so you will be fine. And here is the graphics. So here, as you can see, the objects and embedded text of images should be described for assistive technology. For example, here is a background images having a standard images should be tagged and described, right? And there you need to add alt text such that every images out there describe its purpose. So alt text, as I've said earlier, you need to define purposefully. It should resolve the purpose for person with disabilities. Okay, so let me give you an example, and for the example, here is my website, and if I click on view page source, and if you search for the alt here, and as you can see, alt text has been 2K. And here, as you can see, it's a logo, and for the logo part we need to add alt text that is relevant to it. So if you have a store like this, if you have e-commerce or something like that, and if you want that accessible to the person with disabilities, you need to correct your alt text, and it should describe what it is actually. So here is the logo. You need to add the alt text to the logo such that it will only describe what it is actually. Okay, so that's how it can enhance your website for the accessibility part. So that's it. So if you want if you want it to add it to your website, just follow the link in the description box and sign up for the 7 days account and add it to your e-commerce store or a website or any website you have. You can easily add that using a simple 2 or 3 lines of code. And obviously I have skipped the part of adding to your WordPress. And for the WordPress part, let me go to my WordPress login page, and here's the login page. Go to your appearance and go to the theme file editor, and in the theme file editor here is templates here, as you can see. But what I want to do is go to the photo.php, just like we have done in our previous chapter, just like we have done on my script. And here, just before the body tag, you need to add your code from the accessibility. Let me do that and go to the installation, and here you need to copy this and paste that in the edit themes here, and you will be good to go here, and click on save, and you will be good to go. So that's how AccessiBe can enhance your website for different persons with disabilities. If you have liked this video and if you have learned something from this video, click the like button. If you want to subscribe to this channel, please click that subscribe. You will be amazed with the content we are going to upload on this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.